Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiara and I'm going to show you how I achieved this curly boho faux lock hairstyle on my mom. So pretty, so lightweight, and it looks effortless, but it takes a lot of work, let me tell you. Okay, so first you're going to get some faux boho locks. I got these from Ywigs. And look, you can see the wet and wavy strands in between the locks. It makes it look so natural and pretty. And it's very soft. They're very soft and lightweight. Okay, so I'm going to be parting her hair. She has very thick hair. And I'm going to make sure I stagger the parts, because you don't want all the parts to line up with each other. So I'm going to stagger them, and then after I stagger the parts, I'm going to take the Shine and Jam and apply it in between the parts, down the shaft of the hair, just to make it more manageable and make it easier, and it makes the style look a lot more neat and crisp. So you have to take the needle. So first, we're going to plait the hair down, but we're going to apply the boho lock into the hair before we braid it down. And you're just going to do a regular plait. You're going to section it off into the 3 pieces and just plait it down with the strand, with the lock attached at the base. So you're going to braid it down. And then I'm going to continue this across the entire section of her hair, because you want to be able to take the braid and wrap it around the lock. This was the easiest way that I could do it, and I tried different ways, but this seems to be the easiest way. And it's not hard. You just take one section of the plait and put the lock into the hair, and then you just braid it down. I know it looks crazy right now, but just stick with me. It's gonna get better. So now you take one section, add a little bit more Shine and Jam to it. You don't have to braid it all the way down, but I braid it down a little bit more. What all you're going to do is just wrap the hair around the boho lock. Just wrap it down and make it as tight as you can. And you want to take the Shine and Jam because it's going to make it tight and neat. Now you take bulk hair. You want to get the natural bulk hair and take your crochet needle through the base and pull it through, and then start to wrap. So now you're wrapping on top of the braid of her real hair and the lock. So you're going to wrap all the way down, and that just secures it and locks it in place. And once you get to right before where the boho starts, because you don't want to wrap on top of the boho, you want to lock it in. So you're going to make a little knot. You're going to make like a regular knot, and you're just going to knot the ends so that it won't move, and everything will stay in place. So basically you're just wrapping midway down the boho lock. You're making a knot, and then that's it. It should lay flat and should last throughout the entire style. It's just a lot of wrapping individually because you want it to look as natural as possible. So I just take my crochet needle and I just bring it through the loop, and I wrap it a little bit more, and then I wrap it a little bit more, and then I will knot it again. So you definitely will need some patience with this hairstyle, but trust me, when you get done, it's gonna be such a satisfying feeling, and it looks absolutely amazing. It turned out beautiful. This is my first time doing it. It turned out even better than what I had imagined in my head. So I will recommend that you try it, but you have to have patience or possibly have someone help you, because it can take some time to do, because you're wrapping each individual lock halfway down. So I hope this tutorial helps, and I hope you try it and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.